This is not a pathway. It's a school-sanctioned nature preserve.
It's a garden.
It's not a garden. It's the trees, the speckled sparrow. It's the purple poppy.
Dude, purple puppy? Where?
Not puppy, the purple poppy.
The official city flower.
This is about flowers?
No, it's about respect for nature.
So no puppy?
No puppy.
Ugh.
Hey, you realize this is so not going to be good, right?
What do you mean?
I mean, he's totally going to go Lucas on this.
Uh-oh.
Let's get out of here. How am I supposed to get home when you're blocking the shortcut?
Take the sidewalk. The longer walk is good for your health.
What's going on?
Did you know this garden is home to the Venture Falls speckled sparrow?
Whatever.
Hey!
That was a close one.
Are you two finished?
You've got to be careful, Razzle. Kids here aren't used to talking lizards from another dimension. Yeah, about that other dimension.
There's trouble in Gorm?
Would I be here if there wasn't?
It would have to be on a Tuesday.
Why? What's Tuesday? Pastry Day.
This should be good.
Oh, hey, son. You found me hip deep in a breathtaking batch of blueberry biscuit bars. But, hey, have you seen the baking powder?
Nope, none in here. Must have used it already.
Oh, hey, Dad. Off to the store?
Yeah, I seem to be out of baking powder.
Watch it.